Hi guys, welcome to another episode of People's Cooking Channel. Today, we're here at Santa Rosa Bayan.
About to try one of the most famous Unli Wings chicken joints, which is called the Brothers Unli Wings.
Tara guys, kain na tayo! Ano po yung recommended nyo na bestsellers?
Sir, try nyo naman po itong Unli Wings namin. Meron pa kaming choices dyan. Unli Wings with rice, 280. Unli Wings rice with iced tea, 330. Unli Wings without rice, 300 po.
Okay.
And then may choices po kami ng mga flavors dito, sir.
Alright.
How many flavors kayo meron?
Meron po kaming 12 flavors namin. So, ito nga po yung choices namin. And then may bestseller po kami dyan. Yun po yung garlic parmesan, teriyaki, sriracha, and then sweet chili po.
Alright, so okay. Order kami ng 3 orders of Unli Wings with Unli rice.
Okay.
And then, 12 flavors or 13?
13 flavors po. Bali, meron po kami new lunch na flavors po. Yun po yung spice maple po.
Spicy maple. Okay, great.
Sige.
So yung 3 orders namin, pwede ba natin i-try lahat ng flavors?
All flavors po. Okay po, sir.
Okay, let's try that.
Yeah, let's try that.
Anong first step natin?
Ma'am, pag na-breading na po, pag na-marinate na po yung manok, sunod na po doon, breading na siya.
Okay.
Yung manok po natin, yan ay overnight na marinated po para mas malasa yung ating chicken. Kahit wala po siyang flavor, napakalasa po.
Malasa na.
Opo.
Nandun na.
Very good.
Very good. Tapos, nag-breading na tayo. And then,
After ng breading, i-dry it na po natin sa fryer.
Okay.
So guys, ang sikreto niyan is marination. Kaya binabalik-balikan ng mga clients, okay? So, dapat i-try nyo. Okay.
So, after breading, ipiprito na natin.
Yes, ma'am. Meron po tayong dalawang fryer diyan.
Mm.
Sa first fryer po, yung tinatawag na pre-cook.
Okay.
Tapos pag pre-cook natin siya, ilipat natin sa isang fryer para doon natin maluto siya ng maayos.
Finish na.
Finish.
Kaya nga juicy inside, crispy outside.
Ayun.
Mas masarap.
Galing, ah.
Yung pala yun.
Dalawa-dalawa, papagpag natin para hindi naligsag sa pagsuga. Isa na naman yan ay 20 pieces. Nandito na po tayo sa second stage natin. Ipa-final cook na po natin ang ating wings.
Okay, final stage, final cooking before serving and plate.
per flavor niya talaga is different na bowls. May specific, pati yung Tupperware. So it means hindi nami-mix talaga, walang contamination, walang mixing, tapos naka-glove sila palagi. So, alam natin, hygienic and malinis. So, hindi lang masarap, sure ka pa na safe ka.
So guys, this is the crew behind this beautiful food. This is Jerry, Ray, and Heidi. Okay, so let's eat.
The first one I want to try is this. This is the salted egg pero spicy. So, spicy salted egg. Let's try it. I like it.
I'm still trying to wear this.
Yan.
Or maybe my hands are too big.
But you wore the other one.
Yeah, no, I have to put powder. I don't have powder here.
Okay. Try it. I tried the spicy salted egg, and I liked it. It's also a bit salty, but just the right amount.
Still trying to wear it. I'm so hungry. This is my first meal of the day. And, oh, there you go. All right.
Good.
Yummy.
I really liked it as well.
It's the right amount of spice lang, no? Not too spicy, not too mild. Perfect. I like this.
Me too. I liked it. Try it and tell us what's that flavor.
Okay, let's try this. Sweet. What's this?
I think this is the mango one. Mango.
Sige, let's try the third one.
That's the salted egg that has no spice in it.
Very good. Tastes like the first one, pero not spicy.
I'm gonna try the garlic parmesan. It's good.
Okay, with this. This is lemon. This is the lemon. It's sweet. Tastes like the sweet. Tastes like the orange chicken, but this lemon. Yummy.
So it's zesty.
Very good, zesty. Yeah.
I think this is, let me try it. Buffalo. Personally, this flavor is one of my favorites because I like how it's smoky and it has the right amount of hint of spice to it. At the same time, it's smoky, so it's just perfect for me.
Basta they're all good so far, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have.
They're very busy downstairs as
You're
a customer,
right.
so we have to do this ourselves. So it's a test, right?
You're right. This is hickory barbecue.
Okay. Yeah.
This is maple, I think. Yeah. This is maple. This is too sweet for me.
This one also.
Like, it's good, but it's really too sweet for me and it has no other flavor than being sweet.
It's good. It's a bit too sweet lang for me. I prefer the lemon.
Yeah. And a bit bitter at the end.
Mm.
Because of the zest, of course.
Yeah, but it's good naman.
Yeah. Can I see?
Oh, I should try this. Seems like you
Sweet.
liked it.
I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, sweet chili. Right?
Yeah. Yummy. Let's try this.
What's that?
I like this. It's very light. It's very light.
Yeah.
You won't get sawa with this. Right amount of everything, but I can't name it.
Maybe it's soy gar. No, it's not.
No.
I don't know.
Ah, maybe this is a new one. Maple.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is the maple.
Spicy maple.
Yeah.
Is it spicy maple?
Yes.
Chili maple, something
Yeah.
like that.
Diba? Okay. Let's
This is
color
buffalo.
red.
Okay. I like it. Whatever.
It's nice.
Mm.
That's buffalo, I'm sure.
It's good.
I had one a while ago. Really good. Okay. And this one is the sriracha. This is supposed to be the
Spicy.
spiciest. Yeah.
Is it?
Perfect. Try. It's bearable, but for the ordinary person, it's spicy. For me, it's mild, but it's very good.
Yeah. It's very good. Really goes with the wings. For me too, it's just right. But it may be too spicy for others.
Yeah.
What's that?
Garlic.
Soy garlic.
Okay, you're right. Good.
Yeah.
I like it. Not that sweet, pero right amount of sweetness.
So far, I like everything. Except my least favorite ones. One was the maple. And then one was the mango habanero. And the orange zest. Those were my least favorites because the orange zest, I normally don't like zest because it's a bit bitter. And then the mango habanero, honestly I wasn't able to taste the habanero. It was really more on mango. And then the maple, the new one, it's just too sweet for me. It has nothing else. No saltiness, no peppery taste, just really maple. So if you have a sweet tooth, you would enjoy that.
For me naman, my favorites was salted egg, spicy, buffalo, mild spicy, and sriracha, very spicy, really good. And my fourth favorite that stood out in everything is the lemon glaze. I really like the lemon glaze. So
basically, in 13 different flavors, I like 10. And for me, that's a winner. From 13, you get 10 out of 13. That's really
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
me naman, I think I liked about 11. I like 11 of them. So overall, I would give this restaurant and this food a 8.5 over 10.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Kasi it's sulit. And by the way, guys, when you dine in here, if you have kids below 3 years old, they eat for free. You don't have to pay anything.
And then
Yeah.
4 to 8.
4 to 8 years old, they get 50% discount. So if this is 280 pesos, you only get to pay 140. Pero only wings and
Chicken
only
wing,
rice
yeah.
pa rin sila. Yeah. And then they also have the a la carte So you don't always have to spend only. If you just want to eat 3 pieces of wings with rice, 5 pieces of with rice, 6, 8, 10 with rice. So sulit na. So if you get 10 pieces of wings, and let's say you're 3 people, oh, you just pay 100 pesos each. You guys have 3 pieces of wings each plus a rice. Of course, one rice lang yan, additional rice. So you'll be paying like $100,
Yeah.
110 pesos.
Correct.
And we have 3 wings na. So yun, sulit. It's a good place to eat, and you guys should try it.
Favorite namin yung kanilang salted with spice. The best was
Please like and share People's Cooking Channel.
Thank you.